Hi, I'm Andrew Creed.
And I'm Brent Eaton. We're from Plymouth South High School and are competing in the Finish Line Challenge.
The first thing we did is determine the target market of Finish Line. Through research, we found that Finish Line's target market was men and women in the age group of 18 through 29, which is also known as Generation Y.
Finish Line has plenty of room for improvements, considering they had a 25.2% drop in net sales last year due to decreased profit margins and increased cost of operation.
Now the question is, how do we approach this? What can we do to create a positive impression on our target market? Well, Finish Line already has a head start. The reason for this being that they recently entered into an exclusive partnership with Macy's. This deal is expected to boost Finish Line's sales by approximately $250 to $350 million a year. So we asked ourselves, why stop here? We decided that it would be a great idea to continue to create exclusive partnerships, but to do so with franchises that shared the same target market. A couple of the franchises we found that shared similar target markets and would be ideal for corporate partnerships were Nordstrom's and Bloomingdale's. Both are modern, fashion-oriented stores much similar to Macy's. Considering how successful the partnership with Macy's is expected to be, these would be very strong choices for potential partners.
So what are the characteristics of Generation Y? We've studied various stats related to this generation and managed to pull out some very useful information. According to a trustworthy source of data, 70% of Generation Y said that they stick with brands they've become accustomed to. This means that if Finish Line can make a positive, lasting impression on this group, then they will become loyal to their brand. Also, this is the most technologically savvy generation yet, and their intellect as well as their dependence on technology grows every day. Now here's a twist. Since our target market is highly interested in the subject of advancing technology and has become accustomed to technology being a part of their everyday lives, we wanted to incorporate upcoming technological advancements with our corporate partnerships. The way we want to do this is by having Finish Line have a section of each store it is partnered with, including its own, that is specifically dedicated to Finish Line and its products.
From here, there will be the hottest and newest Finish Line products on display, along with an interactive kiosk. This kiosk will be the next big technological leap Generation Y has been looking for. The reason for this being that the kiosk will be made of architectural display glass provided by Corning, who designs and manufactures much of the glass used in today's smartphones and other touchscreen technology. The architectural display glass is a large piece of touch-sensitive, seamlessly designed glass that enables the use of electronics, which would allow customers to browse various shoes, clothing, and apparel that is available to purchase. The most important part of this glass is that it's durable and scratch-proof, which means that there will be no damage sustained from its use by customers.
This technology seems like a stretch, but it's actually not. Corning has released multiple videos entitled A Day of Glass and A Day of Glass 2, in which they display what the future could potentially be like with advancements in glass technology. The way this technology works is that applications and programs which reside in a tablet are executed and displayed onto the entire surface of the glass using Corning's edge-to-edge display. An operating system integrated in the glass allows it to connect with when in a set proximity of the tablet and tells it what to display and in what format. So by having a tablet within close proximity to the glass and encased in a clear, durable container, users can interact with the technology while having it protected from theft or damage.
On top of using this technology to attract customers, we will also be utilizing QR codes. The way we'll be using these is by having each individual product have a certain QR code assigned to it that is in clear view of the product it is in correlation to. From here, the customer will have the ability to scan the QR code with their smartphone, rate what they like or dislike about the product, and instantly receive a discount that they can use at the point of purchase. This will give customers a huge incentive to participate and give their opinion on various products. From this point, Finish Line can take this information and make decisions like what products need to be shipped where based on their popularity and demand from customers. This will save the company shipping and handling costs to a destination where a product line simply doesn't move.
The reason we believe that our idea of using this technology will resonate with the target market is because Diesel Ginza, a fashion store based in Japan, is currently using similar technology with a huge success. What they call interactive mirrors are used to show customers how they would look in various articles of clothing by taking pictures of them and then generating an image with different clothes on them based on the size and scale of their body. This is a great alternative to customers trying on clothes the traditional way, because it saves a great deal of time and is usually spent picking out and putting away clothes, and most importantly, having to undress. The technology we'll be using in the step above this, enabling more than just comparing photography. The architectural display glass has the ability to run and store an entire collection of applications that are more advanced and better developed.
Our plan will revolutionize customer interaction and set the standard for the modern shopping experience. If Finish Line were to utilize our plan, it would increase activity by their target market and other potential customers dramatically.
And if customer activity rises, this means there will be more spending, which will yield a drastic boost in net sales and profit margins. Times are changing fast and technology is changing even faster. If this plan is not put into motion, then it is more than likely that a competitor will take advantage of this chance. This is an opportunity that cannot be missed.